children, now I will discuss about nuclear test. India successfully conducted her first nuclear test at Pokhran in Rajasthan on 18th May 1974. The decision to carry out nuclear tests was taken by the then Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. So children, the first nuclear test which was conducted at that time, who was our Prime Minister? At that time our Prime Minister was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. It was prompted by China acquiring nuclear capability and Pakistan wanting to acquire nuclear weapons from China's help. Children, Dr. Homi Setna, the chairman of the Indian Atomic Energy Commission, and Dr. Raja Ramanna, director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, played a major role in conducting this nuclear test. The location of the nuclear test, that was Pokhran, far away from human settlement and with no groundwater reserve. At the same location, second nuclear test was also carried out on 11th May 1998 to prove its nuclear preparedness. On that day, 3 tests were conducted, one being the hydrogen bomb. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee assured the world of no first use of nuclear weapons by India. So children, here you have come to know about nuclear test. The first nuclear test, it was conducted at Pokhran in Rajasthan in 1974, and the second test means the second nuclear test was carried out in 1998, and at that time our Prime Minister was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In the children, India carried out her first nuclear test at Pokhran in 1974. The USA refused to give India technological help for defense-related fields such as space research, communications and missile development. Under these circumstances, India had no choice but to adopt a policy of developing its own missile development program without depending upon the USA. India joined the ranks of nations like the USA, the USSR, France, China, Germany, who had their own missile program. So children, on 11th May 1998, India carried out its second nuclear test to prove its nuclear preparedness. 3 tests were done on this day, and one of them was the hydrogen bomb. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee assured that there would be no first use of nuclear weapons by India, but the USA imposed economic sanctions on India immediately. Now I will discuss about missile development. Children, under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India started integrated guided missile development program to develop several missiles. So children, under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India started integrated guided missile development program that is also known as IGMDP to develop several missiles. Children, Indian government established Defense and Research Developed Organization. It is known as DRDO. So what is the full form of DRDO? Defense and Research Developed Organization. Defense and Research Development Organization, that is known as DRDO, under the Department of Defense in 1958. The objective of this organization was to make India self-sufficient with respect to means, equipment and weapons required for the defense. So children, what was the objective to establish DRDO? That to make India self-sufficient with respect to means, equipment and weapons required for the defense. For his major contribution in this program, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the father of India's missile program and referred to as the Missile Man of India. So children, who is referred as the Missile Man of India? That is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.